Okay, let's start today's topic. Today's topic is how to express regret and wish. Wish is a desire or want. That means if you long for something, if you are longing for something, that is your wish. And regret is feeling sorry about something. You have done something that is wrong and now you repent for that thing, that deed, and that repenting is termed as regret. Okay? In wish and regret, you can see in the picture, in wish there may be you may be very hopeful as shown in the picture, and in regret you are very depressed or you are feeling sorry. Okay, how to express these wish and regrets? Let's have some practice. Okay, first of all, let's have structure for wish and regret. For both wish and regret, we can use if only or I wish, and after that, for wish you can use subject plus past form of the verb plus object, that means simple past tense, or subject plus would or could plus V1, that is first form of the verb. And in expressing regret, you can use object plus had plus V3 plus object, that means past perfect tense after if only or I wish. Another structure is after if only or I wish, you can use subject plus should, it may be negative, should have plus V3. After that complement, no need to say. And for that, in that structure we will do some practice. Let's have some practice. Okay, express wishes for the following. The structure is given if only or I wish plus subject plus V2 plus object, or subject plus would plus not in bracket plus V1. That means in bracket not means you can use not or you may not use. Okay, in first sentence there is it is raining, and its wish expressing sentence may be like this: I wish the rain would stop. I wish, or if only the rain would stop. In number 2, lonely. You are lonely. Number 3, you are ill in bed. Number 4, your car has broken down. Number 5, you are short of money. And let's check the answer. Okay, the first answer is it is raining. Its wish is wish expressing sentence may be I wish the rain would stop. Okay, in place of I wish you can also use if only I wish the rain would stop. Number 2, you are lonely. If only my friends would come. Number 3, you are ill in bed. Its wish expressing sentence is I wish I would become well soon. You can make another sentence also with this structure. Number 4, I wish I could fix it. The question is your car has broken down and its answer is I wish I could fix it. And number 5, you are short of money. The answer is, that means wish fulfilling sentence, wish making sentence. If only I was a billionaire. If you are a billionaire, there will be no problem of money. And let's check another slide. For each of the following situations, make sentences with I wish or if only using would or could. Number 1, the weather is unfriendly. Number 2, you are alone at home. Number 3, your bicycle has a puncture. Number 4. It is very cold here. Number 5. You missed your last bus home. And let's check the answer. The weather is unfriendly. In number 1, the weather is unfriendly. Its answer is I wish the weather would change soon. I wish the weather would change soon. Number 2, you are alone at home. I wish my friends would be with me. Number 3, your bicycle has a puncture. Its answer is if only I could mend it. Number 4, it is very cold here. I wish I could get heater. Number 5, you missed your last bus home. The answer is I wish someone would give me a lift. Okay? In this way, you can make sentences by expressing wish. And there may be slight change also. There can be slight change if you can change. Okay? And let's check next slide. In next slide, there is a question. You are feeling depressed. Make a wish in 3 different ways. In different way, you have to make wish. Okay? For that, let's have wish. Different wishes. The different wishes are I have made. I wish my parents supported me. If only the lockdown would end. I wish the epidemic would finish soon. If only I could get good marks in exam. I wish I could change my job. Okay? Now, let's go to the regret because we have made sentences on wish and now it's time to change sentence into regret. In this slide, there is a question. Express regrets for following. You are suffering from sunstroke. There is sentence structure if only I wish plus past perfect or subject plus should not have plus V3. Number 1, you are suffering from sunstroke. It's regret expressing sentences I wish I had sat in the sun. Number 2, COVID-19 has terrorized the world. Number 3, your house has burnt down. Number 4, you feel seasick. Number 5, you are short of sitting. Number 6, she is angry with you. Let's check the answers. Okay, you are suffering from sunstroke. Number 1, you are suffering from sunstroke. Its regret sentence is I wish I had sat in the sun. Number 2, COVID-19 has terrorized the world. Its answer is people should have been conscious in time. Number 3, your house has burned down. I wish I had called fire brigade in time. Number 4, you feel seasick. Its answer is if only I had travelled by air. Number 5, you are short of sleep. Its answer is I shouldn't have watched TV the whole night. Number 6, she is angry with you. Its answer is I shouldn't have teased her. Now, next slide. Change the following sentences using I wish or if only or I should or shouldn't to express your regret. There are 5 questions. Your crop has been damaged. Your crops have been damaged by heavy rain. Number 2, your purse was stolen. Number 3, you got a bad common cold. Number 4, your bike stopped working. Number 5, you are jobless now. Let's check the answers. Okay. Your crops have been damaged by heavy rain. Your crops have been damaged by heavy rain. Its answer is I wish I had harvested in time. Number 2, your purse was stolen. Its answer if only I had kept it safe. Number 3, you got a bad common cold. Its answer is I shouldn't have eaten ice cream. Similarly, number 4, your bike stopped working. I wish I had repaired it in time. And number 5, you are jobless now. I wish I had not resigned the job. If I had not resigned the job, then I wouldn't be jobless. This way we have done some practice, and I hope you will be able to make sentences to express wish and regret in this type of situation. And if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.